Welcome back to SEOLab support. In this video, we will discuss how to find and fix broken links using the SEOLab app in Shopify. Broken links can hurt your SEO and frustrate visitors, but with SEOLab, fixing them is quick and easy. Let's get started. From the left sidebar, click URL Management. Make sure the Broken Links tab is selected. This is where SEOLab manages all your broken URLs and redirects. Next, click the Broken Links Finder button in the top right corner. You can scan the full store at once, or scan only a specific section like the homepage, products, collections, blogs, or other pages. If you want a complete scan, just select Module to All. Select Target to All. Click Scan Now. SEOLab will now scan your store for missing or 404 pages. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the results listed below. Now we will move back to Enable Autofix. Enter where you want broken links to redirect. For example, your homepage or a main collection page. Click Save. From now on, SEOLab will automatically redirect newly detected 404 links to this target URL, saving you time and protecting your SEO. Toggle the switch to On in the target link field. Under Broken Links section, there are 3 tabs: Unresolved Links, Manage Redirect, and Ignored Links. Unresolved Links tab. Here you'll see the missing page, traffic data, when it was first detected. For each broken link, you can create a redirect by entering a valid destination, save or click Ignore if the link isn't important. Next, click the Manage Redirects tab. This section shows all redirects created through SEOLab. You can edit the source or destination URL. Click Ignore redirects you no longer need. This helps keep your redirect list clean and organized. Now open the Ignored Links tab. These are links you chose not to fix. SEOLab will stop flagging them as broken. If you change your mind later, you can easily restore them. Sometimes you already know an old URL that should redirect. To do this, click Create a Redirect Enter Path, the old or broken link. Enter target, the correct working page. Click Save. This is perfect for deleted products, renamed pages, or rebranded URLs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.